Hi, my name's Charlie Ciccolello. I'm the head baseball coach at Hill Murray School. I'd like to welcome you to this virtual open house and welcome you as you begin to take your first steps towards becoming a pioneer. I'm going to take the next minute or so here to talk a little bit about the baseball program. I've been a part of Hill Murray baseball for 12 years and head coach now for the last 7. And I'm excited about not just the successes that we've seen in the past, but also what lies ahead for our future. Obviously, being 1 year removed from having the season, we're all excited to get back to some normalcy and getting back on the baseball field. But with that, I'd like to take some time to talk a little bit more about our program, the model that we have in place, standards and expectations, as well as what you can expect being a part of our Hill Murray baseball program. We have 3 teams in our program, a varsity team, a B squad team, and a freshman team. It's eligible for all players grades 7 through 12. We typically have a minimum of 60 to 70 players that come out for tryouts, and we keep anywhere from 45 to 50 players per year. In recent years, we've been fortunate enough to make the state tournament back in 2019. We took 5th place overall in the state tournament, and as much as we can discuss the success we've had on the field, it's the off the field and relationships that we build that we emphasize and care most about. It's not uncommon for a lot of our alumni and former players to come back to games, come back to practices, help out, be a part of the program in any way that we can. And that's part of the family that we take pride in terms of establishing, maintaining those relationships over the years. Big emphasis as far as our standards and expectations from a coaching staff is centered on the acronym CARE, where we look for students who are committed, accountable, respectful, and strive for excellence. And with that, those are some basic standards that we look to apply in all areas of our lives, and that's not just on the baseball field, but in the classroom as well as in our school and community. So that's just a starting point. I realize that there's so much more that we can get into and individualized questions that you may have, and I'm happy to answer those and help out in any way that I can. Feel free to contact me directly via email or by phone. Both of that would be available on the Hill Murray Baseball website. We do have a Facebook page and an Instagram page that I would encourage you and your student to review and hopefully give you a better glimpse of what day-to-day life being a part of the baseball program would be like. Thank you again for being here, taking the time to listen to me, and like I said, anything I can do to help answer any questions that you may have, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you. Have a great night.